What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'd like to share with you how to earn Litecoin for free. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and do join our Telegram group for more videos. Let's get straight into the video. The site that we use to earn our free Litecoin is called ecolanda.com. So here at the moment we are on their homepage here. Earn free cryptocurrency, choose your favorite coins and start earning. You can come back and play every 15 minutes to win additional free coin each time. You can bet and win against other players, participate our weekly lottery draw, and win big prizes. We pay with the following payment method. So here you can see. So these are some of the cryptocurrency you can earn with escolanda.com. But since we are interested in earning Litecoin, so we click on the Litecoin. So let's click on here, claim LTC. Please click on the roll button, claim to get your free Litecoin. The amount of free coin that you will get will depend on the number that you roll and paid out accordingly to the payout table below. You can come back and play every 60 seconds to win additional free coins each time. Let's click here, claim LTC, to see what we are going to claim. So let's click on get reward. Let's wait for it to after the 3 seconds. You can just read about what Litecoin is all about. You can just read about them to know when it was launched. So here let's click on next page, next steps. This is the amount of Litecoin that I have win. You have win 0.0000625 Litecoin. So after every 15 minutes I can always come back and claim. So as simple as that. That's how you win your free Litecoin. So after claiming your Litecoin, if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is just to click on your username. When you click on your username, you'll be taken to your user profile. So here you can see user profile. Just go through the coins you're going to withdraw. Since we participated in Litecoin, this is our current balance. If you just want to withdraw, you can just scroll down here to read the process. To transfer funds, log to ccbox.io. Your CCBox account has been created automatically. Login and password are the same on both websites. Please note that after changing the key, you will need to re-log. If your transaction fails, it can be cancelled in a minute and sent again. You can also promote your referral URL or share it with your friends, and anybody who signs up using it will be automatically registered as your referrer, and you will earn commission whenever they use the website whilst the program is open to all escolanda.com members. Anyone who violates the rules or attempt to abuse the system will be banned from all our facets. So these are the rules that you just have to go through. These are the referral fees. You can also just go through the referral to see the percentage that you will get to pay a referral. You can also just go through and see the percentage. So not to forget, when you are registered, you ask to put in your username. When you put in your username, your email, then they will generate a password for you. So when they generate a password, make sure that you save the password, because that password that you use to be able to access your ccbox.io. So when you earn the Litecoin, automatically the same amount will be sent to your ccbox.io account. So and that one get the same email and password that you used to log into your escolanda.com. That's the same thing that you used to log into your ccbox.io. So here you can see, just go to our ccbox.io account. You can see the Litecoin. You can see we have our Litecoin there. You can see we have it. So here when we get to the minimal withdrawal, all you have to do is just to click on withdrawal. So here at the moment you have not yet achieved the minimal. So when you get to the minimal withdrawal, just click on withdraw. Then you put in your wallet address, then you can take it to any exchange account that you want to be sent to. So as simple as that. So that's how you earn your free Litecoin with escolanda.com. And as you can see here, they have videos for so that you can also participate to be able to earn different cryptocurrency. You can also claim TRS. You can also claim SRP, and there are different coins you can also claim with this site. So that's how it works. So it's as simple as that. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.